Hi friends, welcome to Amsterdam Beach, a hidden gem in the Netherlands. Today, we're exploring the vibrant and lively atmosphere of this beautiful beach during the summer swimming season of 2024. Before we begin, please subscribe and press the bell icon. As we start our walk along the coast, you'll see the clear, inviting waters of the harbor. The sun is shining brightly, casting a warm glow over the entire scene, making it the perfect day for beachgoers to enjoy. Take in the sights and sounds of Amsterdam Beach, the laughter of children playing in the sand, the rhythmic waves lapping against the shore, and the cheerful conversations of friends and families create a joyful and relaxed atmosphere. Look at the variety of activities taking place around us. From swimmers diving into the refreshing waters to people lounging on beach towels soaking up the sun, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Paddleboarders glide gracefully across the water, adding a touch of adventure to the serene setting. Amsterdam Beach is a testament to the beauty of the Netherlands coastline, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Whether you're here for a swim, a stroll, or simply to enjoy the scenery, this beach has something special for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this summer beach walk. Enjoy the beauty and serenity of Amsterdam Beach, a true haven for beach lovers. Please like, comment, and share.